Namaste children, welcome to the next topic, properties of rational numbers. In this unit there are 6 properties and today we will cover the first 3 properties, that is closure, commutative and associative property of rational numbers. In 7th standard we learnt all the 6 properties for integers, right? The same way we are going to learn for rational numbers. First one, closure property. When two rational numbers are added, if the answer is in the form of a rational number, we can say it is closed under addition. Same way we can check for subtraction, multiplication and division. In division alone, there is one small constraint. That is, if the denominator b is equal to 0, what will happen? Any number divided by 0 will become infinity. So, we must say that division holds good for closure property only when the denominator b is not equal to 0. Okay, you can substitute values for a and b and check whether we are arriving with a rational number or not. Now the next one is commutative property. Commutative means how many terms will be involved? Only 2 terms will be involved, and this property is commutative only for addition and multiplication. Shall we check for addition first? A plus b is equal to b plus a. You have to substitute the values for a and b and check the left hand side, arrive with the answer, and then the same values are applied in the right hand side and the answer is arrived. Then you have to check the left hand side and right hand side. If both the values are same, you can say it is commutative for addition. Same way shall we do for multiplication, that is a into b is equal to b into a. Now when we check for subtraction, that is a minus b is equal to b minus a, the answer will not be same. So we cannot say that it is commutative for subtraction. Same way it does not hold good for division also. Okay. Now the third property is associative. Associative means how many terms are involved? 3 terms are involved. That is a, b and c. Associative property holds good for addition and multiplication. Shall we see for addition first? A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Only the brackets are changed in the right hand side and left hand side. Okay. First we are going to apply values for a, b and c. Substitute and find out the value for left hand side, and then the same values are going to be applied for the right hand side and a value is going to be derived. And if both the answers are same, we can say associative property for rational numbers holds good for addition. Same way we can check for multiplication. Okay. Now, this is the last slide for this topic, and here I have written that whatever I said up to now, I have just consolidated and written in a same page. Now, closure, I have written addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and I have given the equations. And this symbol E, there is one E symbol, right? It means you have to pronounce it as belongs to, that is A minus B belongs to Q. Q is a rational number. That is, when you are subtracting A and B, the answer should be a rational number. Only if it is a rational number, you must say it is closed under subtraction. So the homework for today is, you are going to write the heading as closure and then add sub, multiplication and division. You are going to substitute values for A and B, solve and tell me whether the answer is a rational number or not. Same way for commutative, we are going to substitute the values and derive. And for associative, we are going to substitute the values and check and tell me whether what are all the basic operations that is holding good for associative property. And this is the table for these 3 properties alone. As of now, you can write this in your class book. Okay. This is the homework for today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you, children.